Mama wakwaba midi ede adwoa searching mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Felix appear political zone and okase na ne semo Kenya ne say Ghana for ye vigilant ne ma ne ni enda ho na 2024 ya nto aba na afama NDC amayoko ni because it's obvious say campaign messages are campaign that John Dramani Mohammed de eba out in achese nya dia obeya de papa bia de abo o man Ghana na mbomeno adanya osi ede ema slave queens cars o cheche ede ema omo adanya osisi ye na wanwie oba beto aso na ya de papa bia because ade papa na oba be ya o se NPP aban na fail ede na wo de ba ebetimi ama na fail na NPP aban ya fail Ghana no Ghana fa nyane da so omo bi se wa hu hwe ka ena me be cancel as gracia ena me be bo nkukobu me benya mpreko chese nsem hunya no mampenda da John Dramani Mohammed kan eno na Felix chese mu NDC fo mo se mo ba power na power na mo ba no omo bi so mo se den ena mo de eba ana se mboa be na mo de boa Ghana fo mo hu amiye bia nti Felix chese 2024 de dabi sunesu NDC fo emba because of mampenda da ba adan osisi ya wenwie no ena oba beto as 19 se ma Felix ede etuya
opanye wada man Ghana mo enim ano Chief Justice Emi Yebua ejina Appeals Court judges sa adan dwumi eso nso ene wo hanye dwumi ebe nso obesisie ede ama wo no eda se esre bi mre bio se wani so na aban enyo bi nka ho
yes kele beskie hey etiakem na nka yeye ni sei no wa ho na ka NDC for so de aba yeso ye ba ye no ye si Appeals Court judge for dying say yeso ye si we no de ye ne saa wuja ya mo ya aboa pa mo ya kwasea mo ya jimi Ekufuado ye mother serpent corruption Ekufuado ye Sakawa president eno no maka wi ai eno ano se mo se mahama ye airbus ntino efe jimi na dada Jimmy now. Sister Irene, welcome. Na ebeka. Less than a year to an election. Munam. And yeba power. Edian amodeba power. No dear yeba. Say the no say young Casano na ye see diamond girls in ye yes, I be a pesi a bet to us. That's why they don't like him. They don't like him because Nanado abe expose one because nyansani bia baby say hey no man ye muaya den ye nya duane ndi ye den ye sisi sa ne ama we ma judge for o man ye NDC for say sika kura ye di be didi no ye nya ndidi e den na nkwadada su ko school o man ye NDC for say mo awe aban na adwuma sika di ni na asa ye nya twe ye den tua ban adwuma ye for e mo increase in pay. That is the thinking we are supposed to do. Nanka ye dwene saa the way I pam NDC for na me born first. Saa nanka NDC for ba mo be pam won. Now, I want us to be very careful about these guys. That is why I decided to bring it. Come in from back or piss me off, but I just wanted to bring this for okay, come on. Abrantie ya otiwe your friend no Katechie Jimmy for ufiri asante ono na ese edi hene wa asante nanso ommu asante man emmu asante hene emmu sikedwa kofi enti otumi betena radio so because enkrofo ohwe no na wadi atempoto no okọ na abrantie eye interview bi na me pese mo chire we me de chira ade enti me pese obi ani ba ha. I want you people to pay attention to what I'm about to do here. These were the same people who called the vice president incompetent. On Captain Smart, Samobekaya. This was the same guy because of freedom fighters who said fix on with Trisono Mapampa Sunti. EDD, your vice president, your term say wa bon. Your friend economic wizard, Unimushe. Friend Bonbon, vice president, Bonbon, is them. Now, when him the NTR. because dia ne ye peno ye nya. Enti anya mene de endiringu and say. That is why I don't like them. People need to understand me. I detest of these people because supremacists are omujina di na na done ba omiane NPP atemno se na eye genuine eye pure eye real anka hame after me so me betna sometimes even my father I fire him kakra me nya no obvious but me fire no who insulted Nanado. The same guy who insulted Achimfo say yen to me the president biu. Na Achim ni bia so obedi ade akura na nananom nkuno. Radio XYZ. Mimi ntu mire nkyere usie meka atro no akohwehwe. Utie.
This residential complex. I must at the very outset express the appreciation and gratitude of government and the people of Ghana. And Asante for their immense support for this project, including the generous donation of the land. The efforts of Chief Justice Emin Yabua, his predecessor, Chief Justice Sophia Kufu, the former Minister of Local Government and Rural Development, Ajia Alima Mahama, the current Minister for Local Government Decentralization and Rural Development, the Honorable Gambuche, Parliament for Okri, and the Honorable Irene Naotoshi Adu, Administrator of the District Assembly's Common Fund, must be warmly commended.
Womasaya NDC. So you get an NDC president, NDC DCE, NDC MMDCE, MDC how do you call it? Assemblyman in the voter region. For 29 years, they couldn't develop voter region. Now John Mahama is promising voter region people that, oh, this time when I come, I'll pay attention to voter region. Now men come free voter. Now my junior Juma. And come Okasa ye na majima ikini say, can you account for us? That Keta Sea defense money President Kufuor went to bring for it to protect us, the people of Keta. Please, can you account for that money? Mr. Men come here this near. And come be some Mahama say, Aden ye this sikama say, Fabe sea defense, or boy who buying Nenzio New Yeria and the Chi and fire so I'm fire Japade, I'm fire Nobaye, I'm fire Niama. But NDC if we go voter region. Et nasi. And a papa na ye this command say on fanya sea defense na to yen chamo etisan tomono or koto mo 10 bags. And konto local rice kura nanka local producers no enyes kadebi. Or koto long grain rice, perfume rice, 10 bags. Or to esichire 10 bags. And cut ye 10 bags. Ye atoko esam kakra. And yes, I didn't box 20.